Southern Girl Cooks. Guys, I have a hankering for Chinese food, and so today we are going to be making fried Chinese wings. Now guys, I don't know if you've ever had them, but let me tell you, they are a crispy delight. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now, what I have in order to make the marinade that you're going to be using, you wanna get, now if I butcher this name, shaoxing cooking wine. So I've got that. I've got some Chinese 5-spice powder. I've got some sugar. I've got some all-purpose flour. I've got some cornstarch. I've got some plain table salt. I've got some ground white pepper. I've got some garlic powder, an egg. Okay, I'm gonna put this out of our way because I don't want to knock that over. Okay, so I've got my oil. I've just got some vegetable oil. I've got it heated. Let's go ahead and do a temperature check on this. Guys, you want to make sure that you have your heat at least at 350 degrees. That's going to ensure that you have a beautiful crust on this chicken. You can go up as high as 365, 375, but please don't go higher than that, okay? Alrighty, so we have the correct temperature. And as always, guys, I'm going to make sure that I link down in the description box how much of each ingredient that you're going to be using. Okay, so I've already mixed up those ingredients. I've allowed my chicken to marinate for 8 hours. So what I'm going to do, I've already mixed this up again just to make sure that all of my ingredients are evenly distributed. I've got some flour and some cornstarch, and I'm going to put that in here. And we can give this a nice toss. And that's going to ensure that we've got a beautiful crust on this chicken when we drop it in the fryer, okay? Guys, I hope this video is finding you well. If you're new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. If you are returning, we appreciate your support, guys. We're well over 30,000 subscribers, and that is because of your support. Guys, please don't forget to click like, click share, tell a friend and tell a friend. Guys, we upload videos twice a week on this channel. So please, we're close to about 80 videos now, so please take a look at some of our other videos. We've got all kinds of goodies, desserts, entrees, side dishes. We've got soul food. We've got all kinds of goodies on there, so please do yourself a favor. Also, we've got the super thanks, so please, super thanks is just your way of supporting the channel. And so if you click super thanks in the description box, it just sends a little tip our way, okay? Now, don't feel like you have to do that, but I did want to let you know that that's available. Now, let's go ahead and get back into our recipe. So we're going to be careful. We're going to drop our chicken. Okay? I'm going to get out of these messy gloves. I'm going to use my tongs to drop this chicken in the oil. Okay? Make sure you're not crowding your pot or your deep fryer, and that way you're going to ensure that you've got a beautiful crust on your chicken. Please be careful. I don't know if you saw that little water pop right there. Okay? Now I could put another one in there, but I'd rather take my time to fry this chicken than to crowd my pan. Okay guys, so look what we did today, guys. We made Chinese fried chicken wings. It is time to taste them. Now, full disclosure, I already tasted one and they are amazing. I want to show you what they look like, guys. Look at the beauty in that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, okay. So, time to taste them with you. I want you to see how beautiful they are. Now, all right, here we go. This is really good, guys. Guys, cornstarch and flour really helps to create a nice crust, regardless as to what you're frying. So keep that in mind for some of your other recipes. Again, guys, if you've not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click like, click share, tell a friend to tell a friend. We upload videos twice a week. Make sure you check out some of our other videos. We got all kinds of videos on there. Entrees, desserts, like I said before, all types of recipes. So please, please, please make sure that you are subscribed to Southern Girl Cooks. Make sure that you like the video. I keep saying that. Make sure you like the video and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we upload a new video, you'll be amongst the first to know that, okay? Chinese chicken wings, so good. Guys, thank you for watching Southern Girl Cooks. We'll see you in our next recipe video. So good.